Hi, crafters. Happy holidays. I hope everybody had a great Christmas. Well, I just finished this album, so I said, let me make a little video, and it features Michael's A Winter's Night. It's a 2018 paper that I bought. They have a new version. I think it has like winter animals, whales, and all kinds of stuff. I didn't buy that one, but it's close to this one. This one, though, has the angels, and I think the new one doesn't have angels in it. And it comes also with a beautiful copper coloring for contrast. This is a Anna Griffin die, those bells, and I layered it with copper paper to catch the copper in the paper line. And then that other die, Season's Greetings, I think that's a Avery L die. Here's the spine. It's about 2 inches wide, and that's the back of the mini album. I love that plaid with a little splash of copper in it. I think it's so pretty. So this is a departure for me in terms of doing a blue winter, a blue and copper winter. But I love the rustic feel. And those dyes there that you see with the snow, oh gosh, I've never seen snow, guys. Don't say anything, but the snow caps and the bow there on that tag. I used it here because this can be either a winter album or a Christmas album. And here's some more die cuts. It's a wreath and yet another bow. I love these little bow dies. You're going to see them everywhere now, especially the small flat ones. They really add a nice accent to my projects, whether I'm trying to learn how to do cards, whether I'm doing cards or mini albums or anything. I think the bows just add something special to the layouts. Here now, I'm showing you the angels just setting off the page and then those photo opportunities. And I put a little ornament that I cut from the paper and used it as a little pocket to tuck in that AliExpress lantern and this little cut apart from the paper line. Flip the page over. So this is the back of the first page assembly. And as you can see, I have two flaps. They kind of mirror each other, but they both flip to the right here now. So I'm looking at that flap and I'm showing you guys that it flips out to expose a photo opportunity right there. I guess that's like a 4x3. And here now is two photo flaps that flip out. There now I can put either a journaling card or a photograph underneath that twine. Here, that's just enjoying the angel paper again. Here now, that's a oval. I cut the angel in an oval and use it as kind of like a label for the photograph there. That's about a 5x5. And that's a piece die cut as well. And here you're seeing a lot of my snowflake dies. I love snowflake dies. The ones with the bows, that's La La Land Crafts, I believe. This one here, I think, is, I want to say Lawn Fawn. Pierced snowflakes. Love it. It comes in different sizes, too. Flip that page over, that hidden folder, and now I'm showing you that there's another page assembly here with a side-loading pocket. And I love the branches with the ornaments in the blues. I think this paper is so pretty and it's so different for me. I'm usually either traditional Christmas, bright Christmas, or pink Christmas. This now is like blue winter Christmas. And this now is an angel die I found on AliExpress. It's by Alina Crafts. I think she is adorable. Just really cute and easy to put together. I think you can turn it into a shaker too. And there I made like a little belly band on that flap. And I tucked the little angel in there, have a little photo opportunity as well. That's a spot for a 5x7 photograph, full 5x7. This is a spot for like a 4x4, either journaling or photograph with a little plaid mat layering piece. Two photo opportunities against that brick paper, which is found in the paper line. It comes in that brown, and I think it also comes in like a bluey silvery brick. And notice the bricks on the right matches the bricks to the left. You see it? Yes, I'm one of those people. This is why I don't do albums quickly, because I like to see the whole spread. Here now, that's enjoying that night sky. I can put a photograph there and close that flap, open it out. This is like a ornament advent countdown, I guess. That sounded right, didn't it? And I just really enjoyed this paper. Flip this whole photo assembly now over. So that's the second page assembly, and this is a side loading pocket on the back. There I had cut out a oval in that little journaling card and just left it. I think it's so cute. On this side now, on the last page assembly, that's a pocket with a tag that tucks in there just like that, and another angel again, and then a side loading pocket. Now, if you look at the paper, notice that I kept the whole flow of the wood and the trees going both the side and the pocket that I'm loading there. Flip over the page assembly. Here's another side loading pocket with, oh, that's an AliExpress sleigh. And the trees, okay, here I am. Oh gosh, I'm doing like 50 things one time. But those are for two like 4x4 photographs. I'm showing you a better picture of the sleigh. And the trees, that's a Sizzix die. I think it's called Winter Trees. I believe that's the name. I got it at Hobby Lobby. Really nice set because you can use those trees for everything. Here's another pocket with a wreath die that I found. Can't remember the name right now. I'll see if I can find the die and put it in the description box below. Here now, I left that spot so you can put a photograph about a 5x5 right there or whatever. Sometimes I just like to, play with the paper. This now is another 5x7 flap. And I'm just showing you how I paper pieced it together. 5x7 on the back. And here again, enjoying the paper. Showing you a close-up of one of my new favorite dies, Hero Art Snowflake. It's so cute, and I think it's about 4.5 inches wide. So it works perfectly for cards or for mini albums. Here I am now showing you that it's 3-page assemblies loaded, and this is the back inside pocket where I made a tag with 2 sheets of paper, and I layered the trees, and then of course that beautiful bow die. Love that bow die. I'm going to show you a video with that haul from AliExpress. And here I'm showing you that I was playing with the angel, the bow, to the trees, to the town. Yes, I did all of that. I know. Here's the back of the album again, the spine and the front. And this was a departure for me, but a happy departure. I really enjoyed the papers. At first I thought I wouldn't like it, but I'm glad that I did buy the paper pack, and I finally decided to sit down and use it. That's my plan for 2020. Use what I have. Stop buying so much new paper because I have so much paper. So this was a hot buy. If you can't find this line, maybe you can get the more recent one. See you guys soon. Take care.